What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how you can actually clean your speakers in here on your iPhone so you can actually make them sound much louder, so you can hear people much louder, and you can also watch videos or listen to songs with a much higher volume. From time to time it's normal to feel like your phone now sounds much lower. That's probably because you actually do have a lot of dust or lint, or your speakers are actually having some issues. But do not worry, in this video I'm gonna help you diagnosing the issue, and I'm gonna help you 90% fixing this issue in here. I say 90% because in most cases your speaker doesn't actually get damaged that easily, okay? So in most cases you do have to clean your speaker in here in order to make it sound louder. Now do not worry, I do have in here two iPhone devices in here, an iPhone 16 Pro on my left, and on my right I do have a much older iPhone, an iPhone 6, just to showcase it to you how the process is here, because we do have different speakers depending on the iPhone model. And I'll also show you how to clean the top speaker as well in order to make your phone sound much louder whenever you're talking to someone on a phone call, or when someone calls you when your phone is actually on your ear. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content specifically related to Apple devices, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can actually get notified every time I upload a brand new video here to the YouTube channel. Now jumping straight into today's video, let's start here with the iPhone 16 Pro, or a much older or newer device which differs from the iPhone 6 Plus. Now the very first thing we're going to be doing in here is, of course, we need to remove the case or cover, if we do have any case or sort of cover attached to our iPhone device in here. Now that we do have our iPhone device fully naked, we're going to start the process of cleaning here our iPhone speakers. Now you're going to need actually a toothbrush, and make sure that the toothbrush looks clean and dry. You want to make sure you do not have anything wet in here, otherwise this might further damage your speaker or create more issues throughout the process in here. So once we do have a toothbrush, make sure that it's a soft toothbrush just like mine in here, not something very complex in here or which doesn't look very soft. Otherwise you might create other issues. Next up, you're going to grab your phone real quick. Here we go, I've got my iPhone in here, and down here we do have on the right the speaker, and on the left we do have the microphone. So of course using the Logic speaker will help us playing sounds much louder, and the microphone will help us, if you clean the microphone as well, by making other people listen to us in a much crispier and much louder sound as well. So we're going to clean both of them actually, since we are already down here. So in order to clean the speaker on the right, you're going to use the soft toothbrush, and you're going to perform this movement right here, okay? So you want to insert it and bring it down, inserting, bring it down, insert it and bring it down. You want to clean here this speaker with this movement right here, and then you're going to perform this for 5 minutes, okay? Keep on cleaning it like this. I'm actually having my iPhone upside down because I want to show it to you how to perform the movement, but the best way is to actually perform it like this while it's looking actually downwards, so you can actually have all the dust fall in your table or out of your phone because of gravitational force, right? But I'm just doing it like this to showcase it to you guys. So once you've done this for like 5 minutes, you're going to flip back your phone upside down, and then you're going to perform the same movement to remove dust from the other side here of the speaker. This is how it goes. You want to perform this for 5 more minutes, and in total 10 minutes will be enough to clean your speaker down here. Now this is a movement or something that you need to perform every 6 to 8 months, unless you are somebody which is actually always under outdoor environments. If you are always outdoor under dust environments, a lot of, for example, buildings, if you are a civil engineer, you've got a lot of buildings and dust, constructions and stuff like that, you're going to actually need to perform this every 3 to 4 months to make sure that your phone is always clean and that your sound is actually always crispy and clear. Once you're done doing it here, 5 minutes down, 5 minutes upwards, we're going to move into the microphone, perform the same step in here, 5 minutes up like this, and then after 5 minutes cleaning the microphone, we're going to flip the device, perform the same step in here but downwards, okay? This is how it goes, and you'll you'll be able to see that we do actually have dust here on our iPhone on my screen. Okay, let me quickly zoom it so you can actually see. I don't know if it's visible, but we do have dust here actually being removed from the speaker. This is all dust which is coming actually here from the speaker. Okay, so it's important for you to perform this in order to remove as much dust as you can here from the lower speaker first. Now next up, we're moving into the top speaker in here, which is the one which is most important for us so we can actually hear other people properly. Okay, so on the much newer iPhone models, the speaker is here at the top here, okay, right at the edge, while on much older devices we do have it here in the middle. This is the speaker right here. So what we need to do in here is ensure that we do have a very soft and tiny screwdriver here with tiny particles, so we can actually insert it inside and clean it. Okay, it needs to actually get inside in order to remove dust. Okay, it needs to get inside, for example, like this. There we go, it's in, and then we're removing as much dust as we can here from the device by performing this movement upwards. You'll even feel some grip in here that the toothbrush keeps on actually getting stuck in here a bit and then it's going out. That means that it's actually getting in and it's doing its job properly. So you want to perform this upwards for 5 minutes. Next up, you want to flip your iPhone upside down and perform the same movement the other way around. So you want to perform this, and here at the top, next up, after 5 more minutes, you'll perform 5 more minutes, in total 15, like this, brushing this specific area in here in order to remove as much dust as possible. As you can see, we already have a lot of dust particles in here, which are actually coming out from our speaker up here. Next up, you're gonna try calling somebody to see if your speaker's volume actually sounds much louder or not. Now here, if you do have, for example, a much older iPhone device like mine in here, at the top, the process starts like this to the right, and this one actually takes much time to get cleaner or to make it sound much louder. Next up, we're going to perform the same movement upwards like this, much time, of course, instead of 5, you might need 7, and then downwards, same movement right here. Now, I would recommend you guys to see if you do have any improvement. If you have an improvement, but it's not enough, you can actually simply perform the movement again and again for as much time as you wish to, but make sure that you do have a soft toothbrush in here. Now down here at the speakers, the process is exactly the same. Simply insert it and keep on removing as much dust as you can, upwards and then downwards, okay? And then we're moving to the sides as well, right side, okay, for some time, and then you've got the left side. Now please note that this is something that takes much time or longer if you do have a much older iPhone device. The microphone in here only has one circle here, so you do not need to apply a lot of pressure or waste a lot of time. Just by performing this movement in here, it should be enough to clean the microphone as well. I hope this video really helped you, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you do have any question or any doubt. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq till the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.